Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that may be messing you up right now. One is fear. Another one is, I don't know what's going to happen. And the third one is, this is too much for me. So what I want you to know is those are feelings and thoughts. And it's super easy to change those with TAT. You may need to do it several times, but transformation happens very simply and easily and effortlessly. So if you have any of those thoughts or feelings, or anything like it, maybe your thought isn't exactly, this is just too much for me. It might be, this is overwhelming, or I can't take another piece of bad news, or if one more awful thing gets dumped on me, that's it, I've had it. So whatever like that is happening for you, plus feelings of fear, and you might feel the fear like in your gut, or maybe your heart pounds, or your head gets tight, whatever it is, you can put all those things into the TAT pot, plus the thought, I don't know what's going to happen. So your thought might be something like, I don't know what's going to happen, and I have to know what's going to happen, or I can't be okay. So any of those variations, just put those in a TAT pot and do TAT about that. And if it comes up another day with slightly different words, or the feeling maybe in your stomach is less, but your head is tight the next day, just do TAT about that the next day or the next time it comes to your attention. You'll find that you can be more present, and being more present, you can connect with the people in your life with more love, more compassion. You can have more fun and enjoy whatever it is you're in without knowing what's going to happen and without feeling like, oh, one more thing and I'm going to be crushed. You can just be present and roll with what's going on, enjoying the company of the people you care about. Okay, I hope this helps you. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.